Hey, what's going on guys? Khaled here. Quick update before we move on to the analysis. I'd just like to say thanks to everyone supporting the Institute from the bottom of my heart. We are steadily growing with 20 plus students inside the group chat. If you don't know who we are, we're basically Forex a growing online trading institute where we teach Forex technical and fundamental analysis as well as price action to interested individuals. We like to believe that we're the wholesale of the trading platform, as we know the information that we currently share with our students is sold for thousands of dollars every day to vulnerable consumers. We hold intensive one-on-one lessons, financial discussions, provide our group with signals, and create weekly webinars. Be sure to hit us up on Facebook if you're stuck on anything. I promise you we're a very friendly bunch and we're happy to give free advice. Give us a like on Facebook and Instagram and schedule a call back on our website for a free strategy session, and then we can discuss your plans with Forex. If you found this video informative and you've learned something new, then I'd appreciate a like on YouTube and Facebook. But without further ado, here's this week's technical analysis video on Euro Pound by economic graduate and Forex analyst Abdul.
What's going on? It's Lat from Forex and I'm bringing you a brand new analysis where we will be discussing some pairs in the Forex market. Now, I handpicked two pairs, and those pairs are dollar yen and euro pound. Now, we will be discussing these pairs in full. We'll be looking at their technical analysis. I won't really go into fundamental analysis in this lesson, and that's because, it requires a lot of time to explain the fundamentals. But I will be releasing a video in the future where I will discuss the fundamentals with all of you, letting the public know how fundamentals should be observed and how they should be traded. Now, one thing about me, guys, I am a swing trader, meaning I do hold on to my positions for quite a while, usually more than a week. And, when I do my analysis, most of my analysis occurs on the monthly, weekly, and daily. The only time I'll actually break down to intra time frames is so I can look at entry, look at for some entry opportunities at those price levels where I've been waiting for the market to go to. Okay, and you're going to see and you're going to understand from this video. Moving on to euro pound now, guys. We can see how sort of the pound, well, the euro pound mainly has been consolidating ever since we've had Brexit in the UK. Okay, and we can see from this region over here, from literally this vicinity until here, the market has been consolidating, and that's sort of from August 2017 until presently right now. And as the market has been sort of consolidating and trending downwards, we can in fact find two descending trend lines, one acting as a resistance and one acting as a support. Okay, now I've been abusing this pair ever since Brexit occurred, guys, and that's because the opportunities here are so easy. I mean, look at them, guys. The market is respecting this pattern. It is sort of descending in a flag manner. It is creating higher highs and higher lows as it bounces from resistance and support to resistance. Very good, clean opportunities. Okay, now we can see how euro pound has came in contact with this resistance trend line over here and how it's bounced off it perfectly, creating numerous rejections, guys. Okay, we can see this selling pressure we've had over here at this resistance. Okay, now we can see how the market sort of engulfed all of these previous rejections from this candlestick over here, and then now it's sort of retracing back to the highs. Okay, now it's this retracement which is giving it off, and because of this retracement I will be looking for selling opportunities because the market has just bounced off a resistance, meaning that this could be my first high swing, this could be a lower low, so it could potentially be creating a lower high. And if I fib the high to the low, okay, we can see how the market is presently within the Willis zone. Let's change this color to blue. Okay, oh, that's a bit too dark. Let's just go ahead and change that again to pink. I like pink. Pink is a nice color. Now we can see how the market is at the Willis zone currently right now, but within this region we can find some very strong resistances from the past. Okay, we can see how the market is being acting as a resistance in this vicinity over here, and the market is currently within this vicinity. So what I'm waiting for a rejection in this vicinity, and I'm waiting for that rejection on the lower time frames. Okay, I want to see that rejection on the 1 hourly, on the 4 hourly. Now just looking at the market on the 1 hourly, seeing how candlesticks were literally breaking high after high, the market is came into sort of a halt right now. Okay, so we can see the market sort of exhausted right now, and it's around this area, this region over here, where I want to see rejections and I want to see the market fall back into my Willis zone. Okay, see it fall back into the Willis zone. Now it's this Willis zone where I want to be looking for those short entries. Okay, now what's going to give off this short entries, seeing how we've had a very strong resistance presently on the 1 hourly, okay, at this retracement, I want to see a BRC below it. I want to see the market break below this price level over here, retest the previous support. At this point, remember, if the market breaks below support, support does become resistance. Now this line has been acting as a resistance numerous times in the past, so why wouldn't we see it act as a resistance presently if the market does break below this price level and close below it? So what I want to see a breakout below 0.87780 and a retest back to it, and I want to see some rejections and price action within this region, okay, within this vicinity. And if the market does create those rejections which I'm looking for within this vicinity, then again I will be taking profit at target 2. Okay, so we've got a very nice potential 90 pips to catch from this pair, guys. Okay, so we've got 90 pips here and we've got 250 pips here. Okay, so altogether we can be looking at a very nice 340 pips profit, guys, and these are some very high probability trades, and it's trades which you don't want to miss out on, and it is trades which you do want to catch. Now that being said, guys, if you do take these trades, remember, manage risk, don't get greedy. Okay, greediness is really what kills you when it comes to trading the foreign exchange market. Don't be greedy, guys. Trade your plan. Literally, it's literally just trade your plan. You know, you want to plan a trade the same way I've planned trades with you lot right now. Now you just want to trade that plan, guys. You know, you don't want to over trade, don't overcomplicate the market, and don't chase the markets. Let the market come to you. As you can see, I'm not chasing the market, I'm letting the market come to me, and hopefully it does exactly what I'm expecting it to. And if it does do exactly what I've analyzed with you lot today, that means I'll be taking action and I will be shorting euro, pound, and dollar yen. Okay, now that being said, guys, those who do want to get involved with my community and do want to get involved with my charting skills, then I have opened up 5 spaces into my one-to-one mentorship group where you can literally apply through this application form over here. Now I will be leaving a link in the bio, so for those of you not interested, do go ahead, fill out this application form, and in fact you get a free one-to-one strategy call with me, guys, where I will be going through the charts with you once more, explaining to you what the foreign exchange market, explaining what the foreign exchange market is more in depth, and just letting you lot have a lot more information and a lot more value about this foreign exchange market. Now that being said, guys, I hope you all stay well, and remember, manage risk.